Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to cook salmon fillet. First, select fresh, high-quality salmon fillets, ideally about 1 inch thick. Pat them thoroughly dry with paper towels. This is crucial for achieving that wonderfully crispy skin. Then, season both sides generously with salt, freshly ground black pepper, and any other herbs or spices you love, like dill or lemon zest. This simple preparation sets the stage for a delicious meal. Now, let's get cooking. Heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil or butter in a non-stick pan over medium-high heat until it shimmers. Carefully place your seasoned salmon fillets, skin side down, into the hot pan. Cook for about 4 to 5 minutes on this side until the skin is beautifully crispy and golden. Then, flip the fillets and cook for an additional 2 to 3 minutes, or until the internal temperature reaches 145 degrees Fahrenheit for perfectly cooked, flaky salmon. If you prefer baking, preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Line a baking sheet with parchment paper and lightly grease it to prevent sticking. Arrange your seasoned salmon fillets on the prepared sheet. Bake for approximately 12 to 15 minutes, depending on the thickness of your fillets. The salmon is perfectly cooked when it flakes easily with a fork and reaches an internal temperature of 145 degrees Fahrenheit. It's a simple, hands-off method for a delicious result. Once your salmon is cooked, let it rest for a couple of minutes before serving. This helps the juices redistribute, keeping it moist and flavorful. Garnish with fresh lemon wedges and a sprinkle of chopped fresh herbs like parsley or dill for a burst of color and taste. Serve your delicious salmon immediately with your favorite side dishes, perhaps some roasted asparagus or a light quinoa salad. Enjoy your perfectly cooked, healthy meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.